You feeding me is zero flirting.
Zero flirting.
Okay.
It's all generosity.
Cool. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure for you to catch feelings. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a special episode of Fung Bros Food. I'm in one of the many ethnic enclaves around the LA area, and today I'm in a place called Little Ethiopia. This style of food is getting a little bit more trendier nowadays, but I know a lot of people out there have not tried it. And you know I could not do this video without some Ethiopian friends, AFOMIA and Brandon.
What's up, y'all? My name is AFOMIA. I'm a Dallas-raised, Amharic-speaking, bona fide Abasha.
What's up, y'all? My name is Brandon. My background is from the Caribbean, but I know everything there is to know about Ethiopian culture. I'm honorary Habesha.
Yo, how do I say let's go eat in Amharic?
Inabla.
Inabla. Let's go. Yo, guys, Brandon, AFOMIA. I know you're Ethiopian. I know you're heavily Ethiopian influenced. You eat this?
Yes, I did. 75% of my body is actually Ethiopian food.
I've dated an Ethiopian woman for 5 years. I had no choice but to eat it. She ate it every single day.
Exactly.
Yo.
I'm vegan now, so I'm only gonna eat the vegetables.
Where is Ethiopia in Africa?
The easiest way to say where Ethiopia is to say it's in the Horn. It's right in the middle of the little Horn of Africa.
Yo, real quick, guys, this looks crazy. Okay, so for a lot of people who haven't had Ethiopian food, I've actually had Ethiopian food a couple times in my life. This is injera. What exactly are we looking at?
You have your vegetables, you have cabbage, you have your green.
We've got a little bit of dorowat here and there. Chicken and eggs. It's spicy, it's delicious. You've got furfur, which is like injera taken
Okay,
into like
and injera is this is from a non-Ethiopian. This is
funny.
what I see. This is like a floppy, spongy sourdough pita.
This is the basis of all Ethiopian food. All Ethiopian food sits on this.
Now, when we eat Ethiopian food, what are some basic etiquette?
When you take a bite, you take your right hand, you eat with your right hand only, and you tear a piece of injera off,
Okay.
and then you prepare what's called a gursha.
This stuffing of food into your fellow diner's face is called gursha, and it's what you do to show your affection and respect.
A gursha means bite. You can
I'm just
grab,
get the 3 different meats in here.
yeah, there you go.
Man, I'm so hungry.
And then you kind of twirl it around a little bit, make it a nice little gursha. There you go.
That was really good.
Gursha.
What am I about to eat right there?
That is furfur. So it's injera, break
Wait,
it apart.
so that's like grounded up injera, and I'm about
Yeah.
to pick it up with injera.
Yeah, it's spiced, so it's really delicious. Yummy.
That's what's up.
I know. Also, we talked about gurshas. You can give someone else a gursha. If we're eating like family, you can give a gursha to a friend.
If you make me a gursha,
I will make you a gursha.
I will eat it.
It's a big thing. It's a very...
No, and the shape of your gursha is much better than mine.
Okay.
For sure.
So there's gursha receiving technique too.
Okay,
And
all right.
place your right hand underneath your mouth like this, kind of like a cup.
Like this?
Yeah, and then open your mouth, just in case any spills out. And then you do a little head bow after. There you go! You have to give gurshas in twos. I have to give you 2 bites.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
She gotta stuff your face.
Gursha number 2.
Can I ever mistaken this for flirting, or is this not?
No, anybody can give you a gursha.
So you feeding me is zero flirting.
Zero
involved.
flirting.
Okay.
It's all
Cool.
generosity.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure for you to catch feelings.
Head bow. There you go. Perfect.
I'm assuming you don't want me to.
Oh, I'm good.
No, men can give other men gurshas.
If we go out to eat again, maybe.
Yeah.
Come. So let's talk about this sauce real quick.
I think that's awaze.
Is that spicy?
spicy.
Oh
yeah,
my
it's
god.
very spicy.
Okay,
Oh yeah. Be
Yeah,
careful.
A little bit of a kick.
bit?
Yeah, I like that sauce.
It's a berbere and oil, I believe. Berbere is like a spice blend. It's kind of similar to cayenne.
Oh, okay. You have a Caribbean background, Jamaican background.
Yeah.
Now, how does that relate to Ethiopia?
Caribbean culture is heavily influenced by Ethiopian culture, specifically Jamaica. The last emperor of Ethiopia was Haile Selassie. He visited Jamaica in a time where there was a drought and no rain. And when he came, it rained. So a lot of Jamaicans, they look up to him as a god or the second coming of Christ. I'd say it's more of an influence in the spiritual Rastafarian background.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Hey, is this
So you break off the chicken.
I want to do it correctly
You wanna do it? Sure.
because I was gonna do it my way, but I'm
You-
honestly I'm sure that was the incorrect way.
You can't do it. You just kind of break it apart, holding the injera.
Oh, okay.
Because it's really tender. It's stewed for so long.
All right.
There you go. Yeah.
This-
Your gurshas are significantly bigger than mine, but that's okay.
Ah.
There is no gursha size template.
I think we're kind of low on injera.
Oh, it's okay. They're gonna come by and be like, injera nshammer, which means like, let's add some more injera. Would you like us to add some more injera?
Okay.
When you can't eat no more.
I'm
When you
getting
do, there's a word that you have to tell people. Say baka, baka. People try to put more what on your plate. You gotta block it. Be like baka, baka, baka. No, baka.
Wait,
It's
you
like
really
blocking,
block
baka,
them out?
baka,
Like you hit them
baka.
with the...
Yeah, you have to.
Blaka,
I means
blaka.
no. Yeah, blaka, blaka.
I'm gonna use the injera that's been sitting
Yes,
underneath.
it's the most flavorful
It's the
injera.
best-
That's
the
the
best
best
All
part.
right, I'm gonna roll it up kind of. Kurusha.
Spectacular.
I'm impressed.
Moving on from the injera plate, we're gonna move on to one of your favorite.
Sambusa.
Okay, Brandon, what are we looking at, man?
This is a sambusa. It is a pastry filled with lentils. It's really good. I prefer it because I'm vegan and it's a great option. So you just break it off, break off the little piece
Okay.
like that.
Wow.
Just dip it.
Okay, that is lentils. Oh, that is hot too. That is
Right.
fresh. That was crispy, man. Look at that. Look at how the layers of the flake. Oh, I love that. Look at that little pocket of air right there, separating through the inner layer. And then you have the lentils here. All right, dipping it.
I'm a bigger fan of the ground beef filled sambusa, but lentil sambusas are delicious too.
So we did the injera plate, we did the sambusa. Now we are moving on to the coffee and the honey wine.
This is it's a honey wine.
Yo, that's pretty good.
Is it really? You like it?
You said this is honey wine.
Yes.
I actually hate wine usually. Damn, you're just okay.
He loves it. He's a bun.
Cheers
I'm showing him up.
to this honey wine. It's sweet.
It was amazing. I love it.
It's super easy to
So
drink.
glad
It has like a light
Ethiopia's getting all this love right now.
honey, fruity wine. It's the wine's not that strong. Famous Ethiopians or East Africans?
Teddy Afro, my favorite singer.
Oh my gosh, he knows Teddy Afro. Wow.
And a lot of people don't know that The Weeknd from Toronto, Drake's Fruit, he is Ethiopian.
His name is Abel Tesfaye, and he has a very Ethiopian name. In fact, vocalist actually is Kalela. She's also Ethiopian. It's a super Ethiopian name. Leah Kabeda is a supermodel.
Oh,
After
okay.
that.
An honorary Ethiopian is Drake. He has mentioned Ethiopians in so many
No, if
songs.
I'm-
Really? Uh-oh.
I don't know.
Hold on. This is Drake does get accused of being a culture vulture. In your opinion, is Drake more of a culture vulture of East African and other African cultures and like music?
I'm not gonna call him a culture vulture, but he's not Ethiopian. That's all I'm saying. He's definitely not Habesha.
I was not trying to say Drake was that. I was just saying that he shows a lot of
He
love.
does show a lot of love.
He
to
does.
Habesha, Ethiopian girl.
And why not?
Yeah.
I know that in Seattle, there's a large population. I grew up a lot with Ethiopians. I went to school with a lot of Ethiopians and Eritreans. What is the main difference between Eritreans and Ethiopians?
Yeah, well, it's a nationality difference. The inclusive term is Habesha, but technically we're different nations. This is Ethiopian coffee, bunna, served in a jevana.
Oh, whoa. All right, what is going on here? What do we got?
For a coffee ceremony, you have incense,
Wow.
you'll have popcorn or some type of like snack, like barley.
Okay.
My girlfriend, she graduated. They had a coffee ceremony. And they did a lot of dancing.
Yo.
And I'm not.
Oh,
I'm not,
there you go.
I'm not sure what the dance is.
It's called a skusta. So each
Skusta.
is skusta.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
There's no music.
Like
it's
some
hard-
shrugging, like a little
Yeah,
bit of
like you need something.
move.
Okay,
Just like
yeah,
that.
there you
When I'm
go. Okay,
moving.
yeah, they got
Just
that
like
from
that.
Ethiopia.
Hey, let's get some coffee. Now this is very dark coffee.
Yes, it's very thick too. It's thicker than like normal, what you would like American coffee.
So this is very strong. Cheers.
Cheers.
Do we cheers? I don't know.
We can cheers,
can?
absolutely.
Okay, cheers.
Yes, yes. I love bunna.
Okay, everybody, that wraps up our Ethiopian food video. So we went on a whole trip right there.
I think that everybody should have an open mind. When I first looked at it years ago, I was like, I don't want this. But when I actually tried it, I was like, wow, this is amazing.
Yeah, just try it. That's actually the only thing I have to say. Most of the people that I've ever shown Ethiopian food to have liked it.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching that video on Ethiopian food. Shout out to Mesab, this restaurant that we're in right now. Shout out to Brandon. Shout out to AFOMIA. Let us know in the comments below if you guys have ever tried Ethiopian food, and if you have, if we left anything out. Definitely also let me know if there's any other cuisines or, you know, spots around the LA area that you guys want me to check out, because I'm definitely gonna try to explore more. Peace.
Ciao. Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you liked the video. If you like this shirt, Injera and Chill, you can get it at blackfoodie.com. FOODIE.